Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you can't see me, I apologise. There we go, the light's a bit better there. Today we're going to be talking about my goals for income access. Okay, so it's a bit different today. We're not going to be doing a withdrawal video. It's mainly just for my goals, what you can see, live examples and numbers, and so on and so forth. However, I have actually taken out some money today. It was just 20 bucks because I'm compounding. I need to reach my goals, and you'll see what my goals are from this video. Okay. So what we have is, let me just go over to here. Move that. You can read my post. It'll be on Facebook or YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. If you're following me on there, you're able to see this video, and also if you're on my email list as well. Okay, so let's calculate the profit. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a live example of my goals. Okay, so currently I have 12 days left until my plan expires. Okay, after that expires, I'll be getting this deposit back. I'll have not exactly that funds. Let me just update it. That's what I have currently now. If I change this to 80%, I'm going to do 80-20% rule. Okay, so I'll get paid this. This will come into my Bitcoin wallet. This will go into my income access wallet, okay, into my balance. And that'll take 12 days to complete, from the 17th today to the 29th of November. Then I'll able to have this, copy this, and I'll put it in equivalent of the 22-day plan. Okay, it's not going to be these exact dates, but it's going to able to show you how much I'll be getting. So in only 22 days later, I've turned $2,128 into $7,056, compounding at 80% for 22 days. This all is what's going into my Bitcoin wallet, $1,232. And then, like I said, 80%, which equals $7,000. Okay. So if I do it for another 22 days, okay, so another 22 days, compounding at 8%, I get paid $4,000, and my total deposit will be $23,397. And then it just gets crazy, guys. Like, you're getting paid $13,500, or $77,000, 77.5k. That's nuts. And then you don't have to stick at the 80%. You don't even have to compound. But once you've reached your goals, then you can just live off the interest. I mean, watch this. So say I've earned this amount. For 22 days, if I compound 1% over 22 days, I'll still get 78 grand in there. But I'll also get paid $119k, $119,154. That's insane in only 22 days. Starting with a 77.8k or 77.5k deposit. So it's going to take time to get to that figure, quite obviously, but you know, we can make bank in less than 90 days, less than 100 days. We can make big bank, okay? Let me just tell you the company, if you didn't know this already, but the company is lasting, well, it's been open for 21 days as of now, 22 days, it's today, 10 past 2 currently, where I am, but it's been open since 2016, and it wasn't open to the public. You've got to realise that they've been trading for ages, they've been making all these different ways of making money for 2 years, and now they've recently opened to the public, and you know, you can make so much money from their experience. You know, they're trading for us. We don't do anything, we just let the money grow. We promote the company and we rock, okay? Join the awesome family on the Facebook group or on the Telegram group. Both is very active. Everyone's getting paid instantly once they request it. And, you know, so can you. And it's an easy goal to reach. You don't even need to pick 100 days. Pick like 20 days. And, you know, it's crazy amount. This is 20 days. Let's just do it on a lower figure. 1,000. So for 20 days, profit is 1,395. Deposit is 10 grand. Oh no, sorry, not 10 grand. $1,014. There you go. And you get that back after the 20-day period. Okay, so you get your principal back as long as it's the 7% plan or the hourly plan. You can get your principal back, I believe. Let me just double check with that. It's a home. Look at the plans. Compounding available. Principal included. Principal is included in all of them. All of the plans. Compounding is available for the 7% plan and the hourly plan. Okay, as you can see there. Last withdrawals, as I said, $21. This guy's 350, 1,350, 440, $4, $105. Okay, so it's so active, and look at the days. November the 16th, which is the server's date as of now. Last one was at 10 past 4 their time. I don't know what the server is currently on, which hosting plan, but they all change. So anyway, it's today. So 21 days open to the public, 392 members as of now. Over 40 grand has been taken out. Over 89 grand has been deposited in. Okay. This is the referral commission. 3 levels: 10% on the first level, 2% on the second level, and 1% on the third level. Okay. They accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Payeer, and Perfect Money. And they've got their own business address, so you can Google this address. You can see it on Google Maps. Follow us, make sure you join the Facebook group, or ask me to add you in there. Watch this video, it's very important. And join the Telegram group up here. Payment proofs, I haven't seen this, let's have a look. There's payment proofs. So this is one way they make money, is through mining, and then also trading and a few other things. But if you want to see more info, just send me a private message or comment info on this video, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. So look here, $44, $49. Me, another video I did about 6 hours ago. Another one that I did 23 hours ago. Payment proof there. So as you can see, the group is very active. As you can see, last withdrawals. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Move that there. So last withdrawals on this specific date, $75. That's the highest one on that one. Let's just try and zoom out. There we go. Can't see the withdrawal on that one. Let's see. Total withdrawn is $343. Last withdrawal is $49 for the lead there. So if you guys want to see any more payment proofs, just check out this link here, payment proofs, and we'll be good to go. Make sure you read this as well, and send me a private message if you have any questions. Okay guys, if you've made it this far, I appreciate it. I'll speak to you very, very soon. Okay guys, bye for now.